Hi, I'm Dr. Watts, a physician with many years in the medical field. Sickness can completely disrupt our lives, especially as we've seen over the last 6 to 7 months. Now is a great time to boost your immune system with the G4 Immune Boost Kit by Dr. Watts Organic Care. It's a game changer. All of our ingredients are anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and high in antioxidants, unlike other brands packed with sugar, preservatives, additives, and fillers that actually weaken our immune system. Dr. Watts Organic Care offers fresh, organic herbal blends, giving your immune system the help it needs to help fight viruses and infections. Our G4 kit boosts your immune system to help cut the duration of sickness you're experiencing, or simply help prevent you from getting sick altogether. We are hearing back from our customers on a daily basis who tell us that they started taking it and were back on their feet in no time, or how colds and other viruses were affecting other people in the community, but they didn't catch it and was feeling great. The G4 Immune Boost Kit fights colds, allergies, viruses, improves sleep, energy, and more. Order the G4 Immune Boost Kit from drwattsorganicare.com. Order today and only pay $32.94 a month in 4 easy installments. Order today and get a boost on your immune system. I'm Dr. Watts.